Marshal, I tell you, I know that's Jesse James. I made sure of that. So you get Jesse, and I get the $10,000 reward, dead or alive.
I'd prefer to get it alive,
How do
though.
I know you're not sending us right into a trap?
Well, I'm riding right there with him, ain't I? If I was lying to you, it'd be easy enough for you to pick me off. Besides, I'm going straight.
It ain't a choice, you dag-blind digit.
But let me tell you one thing. If you want to collect that reward, you better make sure you stay out of the line of fire.
Marshal, I tell you, I'm going straight. Now, all you got to do is tell your men that I'm on your side. Well, I guess I better be getting back to the boys. They might start to miss me. We wouldn't want that to happen, would we, Marshal?
You see, it's Thursday, and if I'm not there, they start in on the horses.
Well, we got a deal.
You know, Marshal, being on opposite sides of the law don't mean you gotta be such a grumpy Gus.
Are we there yet?
No, deputy.
Are we there yet?
Shut up, deputy.
Now, you men know what to do. But I don't want anybody getting trigger happy because one of them happens to be Jesse James.
One of them's Jesse James?
This side. Andy, we'll take this side and the horses. Let's go.
Oh, ho, the Wells Fargo wagon is coming down the street, oh, please.
Cuckoo! Cuckoo! Caw! Caw!
All right, let's go.
Armadilla
Damn it,
noise.
Ted!
All right, Jesse, this is it. Now remember, after the first coach gets through, they fire 2 shots. That's a signal for the second coach to come on. You got it? You and Hank take that side. We'll take this side.
What's the matter, Lonnie? You seem nervous. Something bothering you?
Just shingles. Just my
what are
shingles
you
flaring
driving
up.
at? All right, you two, knock it off. Knock it off. We're all a little edgy.
Well, you're a little Bono.
Lonnie!
Jeez, Jesse, what crawled up his skirt?
Armadilla, didn't you hear it?
Please let it be for me. Oh, ho, the Wells Fargo wagon is coming down the street. I wish I knew what it could be. I got a box of maple sugar on my birthday. In March, I got a gray Mackinac. And once I got some
Get ready, boys.
grapefruit from Tampa.
First coach is coming.
Montgomery Ward sent me a bathtub and a crosscut saw.
That's the first one.
I got some salmon from Seattle last September, and I expect a new rocking chair. I hope I get some raisins from Fresno. The DAR have set the cannon for the courthouse square. Oh, ho, the Wells Fargo wagon is coming down the street. Oh, please let it come now, Jesse.
Oh, ho, the empty boring wagon is coming down the pass. There's no reason to rob me.
Get ready. Here she comes.
I am cowboy. Hear me shoot. Dang it.
Shot through the heart!
How about it, Jesse? You haven't got a chance. Let's get out of here. Jesse, look out!
What you say? That you only meant well. Well, of course you didn't. What you say?
All right, that's 3 deputies dead. Anyone managed to hit one of them?
Well, that's the end of the Wild Bunch.
Another beautiful
Anyone
Sam Peckinpah
Lonnie?
film.
He tells me he's going straight.
Sure am. You saw me.
I didn't admire a single taut denim-clad cheek.
Yeah, I guess you did at that. I want to thank you, men. Now you better get back to your jobs and your homes. What about you?
I've got to return Love Actually, or they charge me an extra day.
And I can't say I like it very much either.
I'm going with you, Marshal.
Because I can say I like it very
Want
much.
that reward pretty bad, don't you, Lonnie?
Yeah, I want that 10,000. But I want to see Jesse James' eyes looking right at me when I shoot him.
Jesse Senpai will
I never
finally
figured you'd
notice
try to
me.
shoot Jesse James from the front, Lonnie. All right, let's get these two men in the stagecoach. Get them back in town. You guys give me a hand.
Yay.
They go.
You bunch of fucking smartasses. Gross.
Ew, no one told me you shit yourself when you die.
Yup, and carrying them like this basically makes them poop hammocks.
Hey, Jesse, did my shirt always have this hole in it?
For the 8th time today, you got shot, Hank.
Oh, yeah. Ow.
Did we really need a full minute of goon dragging in this movie?
There. That's far enough. No one will hear the gunshot out here.
Just hold it here.
I think I'm sitting on an anthill, Jesse.
Shut up, Hank.
I'll be all right. Won't it, Jesse?
Shit, no,
Sure
y'all
you
are
will.
gonna die.
Well, I'll just rest here a while and we'll move on.
Aww, a man and his mook.
Darn it, Hank, I told you we've been going in circles. This is the 3rd time we passed this camping Mexican family.
Sprechen Sie English? Eigo o hanashimasu ka?
Señor, no tenemos nada que nos lleve. Somos pobres. No nos haga daño.
We have nothing. Nothing.
I don't mean you know, huh?
Oh, bueno. Buenas noches, señor.
Buenas noches.
You hear that, Hank? They got bueno nachos.
Poquito.
He speaks a little bit.
Well, my friend's sick. I wonder if you'd mind if we'd rest with you a spell.
He's got lead poisoning.
Sí, señor. ¿Cómo no?
Gracias.
¿Quién será?
Pues no sé.
¿Quién puede
Yo tengo
traer esta
miedo.
noche?
No,
Subtitles come up. It's Juanita's turn to bludgeon the strangers. Then we will feast on their flesh.
He's been shot.
I've been shot?
Well, he was cleaning his gun.
Here, let me help you.
Okay, now where does it hurt? Pretty much around the big bloody spot.
You dead chipmunk!
Dip this into the hot water. Right over there.
So do we mention that she's just a veterinarian, or...?
The bullet must come out.
Please tell me out of his chest.
I know it.
There's a doctor in Prescott.
Well, we can't go into Prescott. We can't go into any town.
I understand. I knew what you were when you first came into camp.
Say it.
Vampire!
Your friend is dying.
Dying?
The wound is very bad. Very bad.
Apparently mixing dirt and bear poop into the wound is not helping very
I will
much.
take him to the doctors.
Where?
Do not worry. You will be safe.
Thanks. Thanks very much.
Yeah, sure, fine, he's safe, but are they HMO?
The Man is dying.
¿Por qué estás hablando inglés?
The doctors at the mission.
No, my child. You must not go back to them.
But I have to. I can let him die.
And if you go there, something terrible will happen to you.
I'm not afraid.
I say you are not to go back. I forbid it.
But, Papa...
I forbid it.
I forbid it so hard I 5-bit it.
We must wait a while.
We can still hear you, Juanita. Go to your cot. You're grounded.
Now to sneak into my parents' room to see if they are asleep. Yup.
No, Mama, not the footy pajamas. I'll be good. Oh.
Hey? Can you walk?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna have to be real quiet.
Ah! 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 Ah!
Hey, you.
Shit, pretend we're not home.
Senor.
Senor, do you speak English?
No, sir, not a word. Ah, shit.
We've been following 2 men. One's a big man. He's been wounded. Do you understand? Comprehenda?
Si, senor.
Well, did you see them?
Did we yes them?
No, senor. Marshal.
I know the intoxicating musk of Hank Tracy from here to the Rio Grande.
So you didn't see anybody, huh? Marshal? Take a look at these.
Well, I'll be dipped. Where a kid can be a kid.
I got a hunch they were here. Well, folks say Jesse James steals from the rich and gives to the poor. Adios, senor.
You're lying. You're lying to us. They were here and you helped them get away. I ought to kill you.
Let him alone.
Juanita, she went away with them in the night.
We're right here. We can still hear you. Went with who?
I swore I would go away and never come back. And I will not. Not even for Juanita.
Then I will go back without you.
You will be lost in 5 minutes. You will do as I say, as Juanita should have done.
How do you feel, senor?
You know, it's that time of year, so my allergies are acting up something fierce. And we left my puffer back at the hideout. You wouldn't happen to have any Flonase on you, do you?
I have some Allegra.
Oh, God, let me die.
There. That should be enough dirty river water with roundworm eggs.
Where's Juanita?
Shut up, Hank.
I told her to stay here.
God dang it, can't find her anywhere. Oh, I know. Red Robin.
Yum!
Ha! Knew it.
Juanita? Juanita?
And here we see Native American scout greets aggressively as he comes across a new face on the frontier.
Pleased to meet you! It's not often we see some new faces around here. It's a real pleasure to make your acquaintance. That's a lovely watch. Let me take a closer look. Can I offer you a refreshing beverage? I'm from a tribe just up the river. We're not used to seeing new neighbors, so it's a real treat for us to meet you. Anytime you or the missus should need anything at all, be sure to give us a call. There's a welcome wagon muffin bouquet in the bushes.
Jesse.
Dang, that sumbitch was friendly.
Top of the morning.
Hi
Howdy, new neighbor. Did you get our muffin bouquet?
Shit, it's a hospitality stampede.
Salutations!
How are ya? Lovely weather, pleased to meet ya. Well, hello there.
Let's go in.
Hello.
Great,
Hello there,
good
new
looking.
You saved my life, Jesse.
You know, by shoving me into that tick-infested thicket.
Hey, it's a Nugget Market parking lot.
Up there. That is the place I told you about.
Well, that's just lovely. Did you paint that?
This is our home. I wait here.
You know how to use one of these?
Yes.
Where do you put the arrow?
Help me, Bride and Juanita.
I'm not.
I'm packing heat.
Now that you're here, I'll be waiting for you.
You know, the poetry of moments like these in westerns is sort of ruined by the sight of a horse's butt.
Hank, I swear to God, if I dragged your ass all the way out here and you die now, I'm gonna be so pissed.
Okay, Hank, I'm gonna ring the doorbell and run. You tell him you got a rich uncle in Santa Fe.
Who is it?
We want to see the doctor.
Our Netflix subscription just ran out and we're on the episode with the Weeping Angels.
We want to see the doctor. My friend is badly hurt.
Who sent you to us?
A girl by the name of Juanita.
Juanita.
Jackpot.
Yes, come on, you're wasting time.
Just a minute.
Ow, my foot.
Shut up, Hank.
Maria. Maria.
What is it, Rudolph?
Two men. They are looking for a doctor.
Wow, sexy harmony.
Police here? Hundreds of miles from nowhere? You're a fool.
The girl Juanita is back. She brought them here.
And you're afraid of an ignorant girl?
We should all be afraid of ignorance, dear sister.
I shall
For
take
it is
care
through
of
our willful lack of education that society rots from within. Okay, we are leaving.
Ugh, finally.
Come in.
I was about to start whacking him against the door.
What happened?
He
You're
fell
the doctor?
on
Yes.
some bullets.
My brother and I are both doctors. What happened?
Well, he shot himself cleaning his gun.
Yes, he does look the type.
We will be glad to help your friend, won't we, Rudolph?
Maria, I believe that...
Rudolph!
Go play your
The
reindeer
laboratory.
games.
No one will play them with me.
This way. Take him in there. Put him on the table.
The man's story is obviously a false one.
We can hear you in here.
Better. They must be running from the law. Why else would they seek us out?
You got a big gap there in the door.
Heaven sent them to us.
Heaven?
Seemed rude not to say nothing.
Please wait in the hall while we examine the patient.
All right, I'd like to take care of the horses anyway.
They've
If
seen
you
too
put them in the
much.
lower stable, they will be well hidden there.
I'll be right back.
Damn it, someone spilled cocktail sauce all over the wound.
Jesse. Jesse.
Whom are you calling?
Jesse. James.
Meowth. That's
Don't
right.
Leave me.
Jesse James. Rudolph, it's even better than I thought. The one outside is Jesse James. The whole countryside must be looking for these two. Perfect, Rudolph. Perfect.
We are experimenting on stolen corpses. How is heightened law enforcement activity in any way in our favor?
It's bad. It's festering.
It is nothing. He is strong as a giant. What a brute he'll make.